Okay, so good day everyone. So what we are going to do now is the concatenate function. So what do you mean by concatenate? Concatenate means when we combine values from multiple Excel cells, we use the so okay no okay start sorry. So now if you want to use the concatenate function, you say equals to concat, that is concat, not concatenate here, just concat. It's also called concatenate, but we can't use this. We use this concat. So if we say concat, then we click, we want to combine two cells together, so we click this comma. So this comma I'm putting is for me to add space to them, then this space, this comma, then I'll do this. Can you see? But if I only do something like this, if I just say concat, if I just say con sorry equals to concat, and I just click this, and I click this, and I click this, and I close bracket. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, so let's just use this one. If you want to add space to your this thing, your words. So the usefulness of this thing is to add space to the between this and this. Is to add space between this and this. So I want to do another, I want to do something like this again. If I say equals to concat, and I click this, I put comma. So this thing, so between this thing, sorry. So between this thing, I can just say and my text too, I'll just leave this one. Okay. I did not put comma, that's why. So I'll just say comma and this. Then I'll press enter. Can you see that it added and? Can you see? So what I want to do now, what I want to do, I'll just say equals to, if I want to do another one, I can say equals to concat. Then if you have this, that means you want to write something inside. If you put these two things, it means you want to write something inside. I want to say this, then I'll write what I want to write inside. Maybe I want to write, because I have total states here, total statistics. So I'll just say equals to concat, then this, I can just say the total stats. Total stats of this, of monkey. Then I'll press comma. I'll put this thing again. Sorry. Monkey and comma Hollywood of monkey are 305. Then I'll put comma, then this again. Sorry. I'll put full stop. Then I'll close my bracket and press enter. Can you see? Can you see what it wrote? It's total stats of monkey and is 305. So instead of me doing it one by one, start typing one by one, I can just use the concatenate function. Okay, so let me do it again. I can just say equals to concat this, comma, this, space bar, this, comma this. I'll put my bracket. Can you see? Can you see? So the usefulness of that two strings that I added, these things, is like if you want to put something inside. So if I put and here and I press enter, can you see that it added and? But I won't do it like that because can you see that there's no space here? Can you see that there's no space? I'll just press this and space here. Press enter. Sorry. Press enter. Open this, this, comma E3. Can you see that it's added and to it? But I don't know why this one space is much. I don't know why the space is much here. Increase the space. Okay. This, this. Oh, that's how you do it. I don't know why the space is much. So that's for the concatenate function.